Hi guys, thank you so much for clicking on this video. So today we're just going to get right into it with a couple things that I got from my Boxycharm. I'm going to be using this Essentials palette to make a look for you. I already did my eyebrows and I already put, I concealed my eyelids and set them. So let's get right into it, okay? So with my Essentials palette from Voss Pro Series eyeshadow palette, we're going to use, I don't know, I'm just going to pick one. We're going to put the cinnamon as the base. And then using another brush. So sorry guys, I don't even think I showed you that. So that was the cinnamon right here. Can you see that? It's pretty. It's pretty. I'm really risking getting my new sweater dirty. Why would I wear a bright white sweater, cream sweater, with while I'm putting on makeup? Why would I do that to myself? Okay, so back to the Essentials palette. Now I want to do an emerald. Oops. I want to do that emerald right there. See how that looks. Ooh, that's pretty. It's already transferring up there, so let's just fix that and fill that in. Okay. With another brush, with another shadow brush, I'm going to use the gold. So we just put the emerald on. It's not really pigmented. It's not coming out as bright as I would like it to be. That's okay. Sometimes you just gotta go with the flow. Can you guys see that? Okay, now we're gonna do that gold right there. Boom. So, have you guys gotten your Boxycharm? Have you signed up for Boxycharm or BoxyLux yet? Oh, look how pretty that is. Let me zoom in for you guys. That's a bright gold, right? My stomach is making sounds. Okay, we're gonna do the same thing to the other sides. Back to the cinnamon. Let's get that emerald. Sloppy work today, sloppy work. If I say so myself. Why do I have to hold my mouth open as I apply shadow? That's how I am sometimes. So that's just a little bit here, a little bit there, just a small a little dazzle. Before we do the rest, before we really get into everything, do you guys like it? So like I said, that was the Essentials palette from Voss. I received it in my Boxycharm for October. Okay, can you guys believe that 2019 is almost over? What did you guys get accomplished in 2019? Please tell me in the comments below. I would love to hear your stories about how 2019 has been for you. Hope it's been great for you guys. If it hasn't, it will get better. Whatever you guys are thinking about doing, starting, getting done, make sure you do it because this is the end of a decade. That's really cool, right? So quick story. It's really windy outside. And I usually don't glue down my wigs, but today, like I usually can get away with just putting it on, running out the house, but today I glued that thing down because I'm not going to look behind me and see it flying off in the wind. That's just not going to happen to me. So I glued it down and I feel good about it. I like the, now I did this by mistake, a little bit of the blue shadow underneath, but I'm going to finish that out when we put our mascara and stuff on. I mean, when we put our foundation on. I'll do it on both sides. Here comes my daughter. I hear her footsteps. Yes, sweetie. So, remember 390? Something I love. I love it. I love it just so much. Alright guys, so remember in those comments, leave what you still need to get done for 2019. Because I need you guys to go into 2020 feeling good. Alright guys. So that was the foundation. Now it's time for concealer. Conceal. I can't sing worth a damn. Beauty blender. Squishy, squishy. Okay. Sometimes I feel like the lighting, it just isn't. But I can't see. Alright, so contour. Contour. Love saying it like that. Sorry guys, the thin line too thin for me. Alright, we're gonna hit that jawbone. So guys, I want to actually delve deeper into makeup. So a little bit about myself. I have always loved makeup, but never really practiced it as much. I just did my own and stuff like that. But I do want to delve deeper and really get into doing other people's makeup. I want to just kind of get more and more into it. So after we're nice and, oh, I forgot to set my concealer.
Hello.
That's my daughter. So if you hear her in the background.
Hello.
I'm just doing little touch-ups. What you guys think? Let's do a little highlight. I'm gonna do my Fenty Beauty highlight. Now I'm gonna go with my blushing berries. This was also from the Boxycharm box from October. No, they gave me 2 at a time. If you saw my last video, they gave me 2 at a time. So this might have been from the November box. That's the Rose Cherry Blush. I like it. I like it. Okay. Found it. Found my Conspiracy Urban Decay lip pencil. Okay guys, the look is finished. What do you think? Just gonna set it. You guys like it? Let's zoom in on those eyes. Okay, that's as far as we can go. Okay guys, so here's the finished look. I hope you like it. If you have any questions, all the products that I've used will be in the description below, but if you have any questions or anything about me, any questions at all, please feel free to ask in the comments. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell so you can receive notifications every time I upload. Also, just tell me a little bit more about yourselves. You know, I just really want to get to know some of my followers. Let me know your remember to let me know your goals and plans for the rest of 2019, what you want to start out doing in 2020. I'm really excited to hear from you guys. So have a great one, guys. Thank you. I see a lot of the fluffy stuff from my sweater. If you see that just hanging around, that's from my sweater. So make sure you guys just have a great rest of the year and tune in for my next video on Saturday. Bye-bye.